So when you take as the dummy variable 1 is east, dummy variable 2 is northwest. So we have 6 states. So presence of dummy variable 1 is Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal. So presence of east, so it is dummy variable 1, the values will be given 1. Presence of northwest is actually dummy variable 2. When there is a presence of northwest, we give the values for Gujarat 1, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh 1 1. So there is no dummy variable for south region because as per the basic rule 3 minus 1. If the categories are 3, so 3 minus 1, so we will be taking 2 dummy variables. So we have here dummy variable 1 for east, dummy variable 2 for northwest. Now when we see, we have all 17 states. We have all 17 states per capita consumption expenditure, and also we have two other columns, that is dummy variable 1 and dummy variable 2. And below dummy variable 1 you can see 0 1 0 1 values, and dummy variable 2 also 0 1 0 1 values. So as you know, 1 is a presence of that attribute and 0 is absence of attribute. So dummy variable 1 is east, so the presence of east. So we have to see Andhra Pradesh, it will not come under east, so 0. Assam will come under east, so 1. Bihar, east 1. Chhattisgarh, east 1. Gujarat 0. Haryana 0. Jharkhand 1. 1 1. So wherever is 1 is there in dummy variable 1, that means there is a presence of east. So 0, there is no presence of east. So in our example 6 states comes under east. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones are there. So 6 states comes under east and other comes under northwest and south. So other all states will become 0 under dummy variable 1. So under dummy variable 2 we can see Andhra Pradesh is not northwest, Assam is not northwest, so 0. Bihar is not northwest, but Gujarat is northwest, so 1. Haryana is 1. So we can see there are 7 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means 7 states comes under northwest. So all the 7 states, the values will be given 1 1 because it's dummy variable 2. Other all state values will be given 0 because there is a absence of dummy variable 2. Now using this information, states, per capita consumption expenditure and dummy variable 1, that is east, and dummy variable 2 northwest, let us run the regression in SPSS. So how to run the regression in SPSS? We have already built a regression function y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 dummy variable 1 dummy variable 2. This regression we have already come up based on the basic rule m minus 1. So m is a category, 3 categories, m minus 1, so it will be 2. So 2 dummies we have D1 and D2. So y is per capita consumption expenditure, D1 is east and D2 is northwest. So we have to find out mean per capita consumption expenditure. We have to find out the mean per capita consumption expenditure of northwest, east and south. So to find out the mean per capita consumption expenditure, let us run this regression function in the SPSS. So we have to open the SPSS, then open the data. So okay. So as I shown in the PPT, 17 states per capita consumption expenditure. One more information which is available, that is household size, which will be helpful for solving few problems in the next class. That is household size, and the information that we have entered, that is dummy variable 1 east and dummy variable 2, all the values. Now we have the regression function y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 d1 plus beta 3 d2. So let us run the regression function. Regression. Okay, so per capita consumption expenditure is a dependent variable. Then the dummy variable 1 of east, dummy variable 2 of northwest are the independent variables, because we have to find out mean of per capita consumption expenditure. Then give OK. So you get a value that is, you can see here, 1097.375 as the constant and minus 241.042 as dummy variable 1 and minus 30.089 as dummy variable 2. Okay, now let us go back. So I will copy the same thing in the PPT. So let us go back and see, we have already run the regression function. So y is equal to beta 1 beta 2 d1 d2. We have run this regression function. We have got the result y is equal to 1097.375 minus 241.042 d1 minus 30.089 d2. Now we are going to compare the values what we got in the regression, in the SPSS and in the Excel, whether both the values are right or wrong, whether both are accurate or not. This we are going to compare. So regions we have already listed out: east, northwest and south. And dummy we have calculated in the previous slide, and we know y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 is the dummy calculation using this function we got for east region. So here is beta 1 is 1097.375 minus beta 2 is 241.042. So when you minus that value, you get 856.33. So this is 856.33 is the per capita consumption expenditure of east region. So this value and also the value what we got from the Excel, 856.33, is same. Excel we got is directly all the east region states we calculated, then divided by 6 we got 856.33. This we run the regression function using dummy variable. Next one is northwest region, where we have y is equal to beta 1 plus beta 3. Using this function we have got beta 1 plus beta 3. So beta 1 is 1097.375 minus 30.089. So we got the value 1067.286. So this is actually mean per capita consumption expenditure of northwest, which is same as Excel, 1067.286. South, y is equal to beta 1, where you have mean per capita consumption expenditure is 1097.375, and Excel also you get the same 1097.375. Now when you get a regression function like this, y is equal to 1097.375 minus 241.042 d1 minus 30.089 d2, you know d1 is the d1 is the east dummy variable and d2 is the northwest dummy variable. So how to interpret? So 1097.375 is a benchmark or a base. So we don't have dummy variables for south. So as per the basic rule, we have taken only two dummy variables. We have given one for east, one for northwest. So there is no dummy variable for south. So the intercept, the 1097.375 will be the benchmark, and it will be for the south. Now how to interpret? So we say that the east region per capita consumption expenditure is lower by 241.042. Then northwest region per capita consumption expenditure is lower by 30.089. So always we compare the dummy variables value with the benchmark value. Clear? We don't say no, south region is 1097.375. Okay, so when we have regression function, we interpret, we compare all the other values with the benchmark values. So we compare with 241 with 1097, 30 with 1097. But when we get in Excel, we directly say mean of per capita consumption expenditure of East is 856.33, and Northwest is 1067.286, then South is 1097.375. But when we get in regression function, we interpret by comparing the benchmark. If specifically, as in our example, to find out the mean per capita expenditure of one region, then we have to deduct, then we get the values. Otherwise, just take the regression function and we can interpret it. So in the next class, we'll be discussing on a concept called consider the following aspects.